Hey there, thanks for joining me. You're here because you're probably looking to learn more about technical analysis and trading in the stock market. And well, this video is for you to help you understand how the market works. To do that, we need to understand the math behind the market, the gearwork that makes it tick, and how to read that through the use of specific indicators, all designed to peel back the mystery and help us understand what market makers and algos are doing to move price around and target traders. Make sure to watch through the end to fully understand everything we're going to cover today and get the most out of the video and help defend yourself against all the people that are out to get you. In this video, we're going to take a look at a 1-minute trading strategy, not quite a scalping strategy. A lot of the trades run a little long. It uses common free indicators that anyone can experiment with, so you can test this for yourself and learn and follow along. So this strategy works by using the linear regression channel indicator on Tradingview along with an RSI. And the way this works is you're looking at the RSI as basically a reading of trend inside of the regression. And we're going to trade using the standard RSI methodology just to see how it works under these conditions. The settings for the indicator are going to be standard. You're going to set the default settings on the linear regression and default settings on the RSI. I'm using Heikin-Ashi candlesticks just to better demonstrate overall trend. So the way this works, a long trade is you wait for this to come down here, the RSI to tap the bottom, and you're going to, go through this bottom line, and you're going to take a long trade. And your target is going to be the top of the regression channel. And you're going to go for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now it's difficult because the linear regression channel updates in time as you go along, and it goes back 100 bars. So it's really hard to pull this back and show you this one. You're going to have to watch the montage here to see a bunch of live trades to see how it's set up and run. But short trade would function much a similar way. To go back to find one where it breaks the top. Breaks the top over here. So if it was the channel would probably be like this. So you would take a short trade off and didn't quite break it anywhere in there. Now let's just say it did for example's sake. Just say it did for example's sake. So you come up here, you have this thing, you draw that down to the bottom of the regression channel, and then you take a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You see this one actually ended up working like that. If that was your trade, I don't know exactly where the linear regression channel set up there, but you'll see how it works out in the montage. Speaking of the montage, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into that, and I'll see you here when I'm done. Alright guys, I'm back with the backtest. And it was an interesting test, let's put it that way. So it started out losing a bunch of trades as you saw, and they kind of turned it around, and it was a lot of choppiness. I'd say till about 75 trades through the 100 sample. It was kind of hit or miss, and they kind of had a nice run at the end to put up some halfway decent results. But overall, it was not a great strategy, not a bad one. You just probably have to run this under your own conditions and on your own tickers and time frames to see how it works for you and see if you can get anything out of it. But it does show us a lot about the structure of the market, looking at the linear regression channel relative to the RSI as that moves over time. You can see a lot of similarities between the way the indicators react with price, and you can also tell some interesting differences. That can show us a lot about the market and help us become better traders and investors. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you like this one, you'll like my other ones, so make sure to check those out. And I hope you have a great night.